Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to show you how you can actually add the real-time FPS meter in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. As you can see, it's real-time FPS meter which is present here. So which you can add in the Oneplus Nord 2 without even installing any kind of application at all. This is a real-time FPS meter which you can actually move anywhere. As you can see exactly, I'll try to explain you clearly how you can actually use this kind of real-time FPS meter in this video. And the main reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because just recently I did upload another video on the POCO X8 GT, and a lot of users did ask me, can you please explain about the Oneplus Nord 2, how you can actually utilize this kind of real-time floating FPS meter, as you can see here. So first thing is, let me try to explain, friends. You can actually find that feature in the games. In the games, you need to add that particular game for what you want to experience the real-time floating FPS meter. So in my case, I'll try to use this kind of Battlegrounds mobile gameplay as an example. So once you add the game into the game space, so let me just show you, friends. So if you try to swipe from the left or right, you'll get this kind of small menu, which we do know already, as you can see. So once you get this kind of small menu, there's an option which is called the monitor data. As you can see, friends, let me go back. Yes, let me just swipe again here. This is the option called monitor data. So try to click on the monitor data. So as soon as you click the monitor data, you will be able to see this kind of real-time floating FPS meter in the Oneplus Nord 2. As you can see, friends, this is very good news. I think a lot of users will be really excited to use this kind of real-time FPS meter. In this way, I'll be able to even test some of the games, whether the phone supports 90 FPS or not, whether the UI is kind of restricting the 90 FPS or not. That's what I'm going to check for the next couple of videos. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, friends. So finally, in this way, you'll be able to change the position of the floating FPS meter as well, wherever you want. As you can see, that's a very good option which you got right now, and which is very excellent choice, I would say, definitely. As you can see, friends, right now, floating FPS meter. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and in this video you'll be able to add the real-time floating FPS meter in the Oneplus Nord 2 device without even installing any kind of applications overall. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll link straight for more updates. And in case if you have any other doubts on the Oneplus Nord 2, don't forget to check the playlist which I have created for the Oneplus Nord 2. The playlist will give you the clear idea what is happening with the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll link straight for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more final thing, not only FPS meter, you can actually see the CPU and the GPU performance as well. How much percentage it is utilizing, as you can see, friends, right now. So which you'll get a clear idea what is happening with the real-time FPS meter. So right now you'll get the real-time FPS meter and CPU performance, and the GPU performance also you can actually see that. That's what I thought of mentioning, but I did forget. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and in this way you'll be able to experience the real-time floating FPS meter in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll then straight up for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.